Even if you live in the area, Ballard's is a nice place to come, bring your family, have lunch, and escape from everyday life. If you come for lunch or an early dinner, we have more bistro-style food. You can get a burger if you'd like. We do have a dinner menu from 5 to 9 every night, so a little more ornate with those entrees. They're all very good. Vegetarian option as well. Our signature chocolate dome, it's been here since I've been here, and that's been a really long time. Our chefs are amazing. Our executive chef has done an amazing job and continues to do so. We're one of the first to introduce the craft beer, and we have several on tap and bottled. They pair really well with our menu, especially our lunch menu. There are no places around here that you can have lunch and have a view like this. I've seen guests walk in and watch them walk in for 11 years, and every time I can tell when someone has never been here, because when they walk in, they automatically look up and they'll walk across the atrium with their head up. And I've seen people almost walk into other people because they're looking up at the atrium. It gets very romantic out here in the evenings. You can sit in the atrium, take a cocktail from the bar, sit in the atrium with your family or boyfriend or girlfriend and have a drink, and you can, take your drinks and walk around and check out the shops and things like that.